Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to send a Mailchimp campaign to new subscribers only. This is incredibly useful when you want to target fresh leads with specific content without overwhelming your entire email list. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in to your Mailchimp account using your username and password. Make sure you have your credentials ready so you can access your dashboard quickly. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side navigation menu. Here you'll see several options for managing your account. Click on Audience. This will expand the menu to reveal additional options. From this expanded menu, select Segments. The Segments feature is where you'll create targeted groups based on specific criteria, which is exactly what we need for sending campaigns to new subscribers only. Once you're on the Segments page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find a button labeled Create Segment. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up the segment builder where you can define exactly who should receive your campaign. Now, since we're looking to send emails only to new subscribers, you'll need to use the segments filter. Click on the drop-down arrow and select Email Date Added. This filter allows you to target subscribers based on when they joined your list, which is perfect for our purposes. Next, you'll see a conditional field appear. From this field, choose the Is Within option. This setting lets you specify a time range for when subscribers were added to your list, giving you precise control over who gets included in your segment. Now it's time to set the last number of days these subscribers were added or subscribed. For example, if you want to target people who joined in the last 7 days, simply enter 7. Adjust this number based on your specific campaign needs and how you define a new subscriber. Once you've entered your desired number of days, click on Use Segment at the top right corner of your screen. A prompt will appear asking you to enter a name for this segment or group. Choose something descriptive like new subscribers last 7 days so you can easily identify it later. After filling in the name, click Save and Exit to save your segment. Now to send an email to this new segment, return to your Segments page and locate the segment you just created. Click the checkbox next to its name to select it. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a drop-down arrow appear. Click on it and select Send Email. This will launch the campaign builder where you can craft your message specifically for these new subscribers. And that's it. You've successfully created a segment for new subscribers and initiated a targeted campaign. This approach ensures your fresh leads receive relevant content at the right time, improving engagement and building stronger connections from the start. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.